This week, we're going to go through testing and debugging, and I think for a lot of you, this is going to be a little bit of review because it's basically getting into breakpoints and trace points. And then, how to kind of decipher some of the exceptions that you see in these apps. So it's fairly short. We're going to kind of go through the book. You are going to learn how to test on multiple browsers. You can actually set it up so that when you click to test, it automatically launches the browsers, which is kind of cool. Then we get into breakpoints, and then we get into trace points. So we talk about breakpoints, and then you get to practice. And there is actually a starter file you're going to download for this. And then we get into exception errors. And these are not the kind of errors that you like to see. And then how to work with trace points. And trace points can actually help you kind of track down what the problem is. And then you're going to get a little practice with, exceptions and trace points. And then I've got another one for you to download and kind of debug. So that is the entirety of the assignment. It is pretty short. And the majority of your time this week will probably be spent on the unit test. There are 50 true, false, multiple choice questions, 1 point each. You can take the test 3 times, and it will record your highest score. Obviously, it's not going to show you the right answer until the test closes, but if it's a true, false question and you got it wrong, not too hard to figure out what the other question, what the answer should be. But there is no time limit on this, so y'all should be able to do pretty well on it. And then we've got the discussion. I would like you guys to kind of share what your plans are for your term project. And you still have plenty of decisions left to make as far as design goes. And so I do have some different pages for you guys to take a look at as far as, designing a home page, how to choose color, what are the top layouts, all of that fun stuff. Then after you read through those, kind of share with the class what your app is going to be called, who the audience is, what the purpose is, how are you going to handle the branding, what is your color scheme, how many colors are you going to use, why did you pick those colors, based on the homepage article, what are your ideas for a homepage that will keep your viewers at your site. And then I would like you to read your classmates' posts and reply to at least 5. And if you do have a suggestion for your classmates, feel free to share it with them, because at this point, they might like your idea better than what they were thinking of doing. So, help each other out. So that is the discussion. Should be kind of a short week this week. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you run into any problems. You all will notice at the top here that I did post another opportunity for you guys for networking. And this is at 20 Fathoms. 2 of our former developer students are going to be doing a fireside chat. And you'll notice that one of the people that is going to be there is the Agile product owner and senior scrum master for HealthBridge. So this is kind of an interesting group. And if you are able to go, I think that you will find it beneficial. So this is on a Monday night from 5:30 to 7. I will not be there because I have class. But if you guys are able to attend, make sure you submit it to professional development to an activity box because that is worth 10 points. Anyway, have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.